What's going on, y'all? What is up? What is up? It's your boy SleepBand in the house. Welcome to the channel. And I just want to say this is a sponsored video, real, raw, and uncut by the company by rayvol. They contacted the SleepBand, aka, and sent me this great sleep band by the company also known as GoNovate. Oh yes, I just love it when people come to SleepBand and have a great collaboration. And also you can use a sleep band by working out and things like that. So let me open it up, y'all, real, raw, and uncut, and I'm gonna sit right here and see how this thing plays and works. Like I said, you guys want to see any more of these videos, all you guys got to do is hit that subscribe button, and I love you guys out there. So yeah, okay, so this is what it is. It's like a navy blue band right here, as you guys can see in the middle right here. This is where you control everything that's hooked up, through your iPod and everything that goes with the Bluetooth settings as well. So let me take it up out of here. Maybe I'm gonna have a good time sleeping with this and falling asleep, listen to the great music that I love to listen to on this sleep band. Okay, so one of the speaker earbuds fell out. So what you get in this nice little package, I like this little box. You get the little covers right there that you put on the earbuds as well. Fits on your head right there. Let me see if it can. It is stretchy right there, cloth, like some type of nylon, real, raw, and uncut. Look at that right there, looking all very clean. And like I said, I'd like to thank the company for reaching out to me with this sponsor video. Oh, I got it backwards. Here, let's see. Oh, it's looking pretty nice. I could use this to go to the gym and go walking and stuff like that. So as you guys can see, the speakers right there come out right here. You put it in your ear. They fit snugly in your ear like that. Real, raw, and uncut. Yeah, y'all. Let's do it right here. Bring you guys close up of the band by GoNovate. You can see it right here. It has the up and down button right there on the sleep band, where it says sleep band right here. This is where the your device with the Bluetooth will go right here, and it pairs right here. Then under here in this little corner right here, in this little crease right here, this is where it charges up to charge up and stuff like that. And like I said, it's a long, elastic, like cool band. It's stretching. It goes around your head and all that. And here's the speakers, the little speakers, earphones and stuff, the little earbuds that go into your ear right here of the sleep band right there close up. Now as I show you guys close up of this sleep band, real, raw, and uncut by GoNovate. Oh man, it makes you want to go get one. Look at that. I love the way it fits around your head. Oh my gosh, it's looking snugly. I'm gonna use this to go to sleep and chill and do some workout. Make sure you guys also go get you one, because it's really cool. You know what I'm saying? It's better than having a full set of headphones on your head when you're working out and the headphones just be slipping off. Not this, because I like the whole head wrapping of the cloth and everything. It's like a little stretchy nylon that goes around snugly tight as well. So you can use the Bluetooth, and let's see how it plays. Let's see. So I'm gonna play me some Tupac. Oh, that's nice. See that right there? All up in your ear right there. The band goes around, so you can use it for sleeping when you want to rest like this, just to have some smooth, relaxing music. And also, like I said, when you go on your jog, or when you be in the gym lifting your weights or whatever you want to do. And it comes in this box right here. It says sleep band right there, real, raw, and uncut. Like I said, y'all, thank you for coming to check out my unboxing of this great product. And if you want to have this product, all you guys got to do is go down to the link, post it, where you can get your own sleep band and have a great time. Love y'all out there, real, raw, and uncut.
So smooth, straight up.